Hey family, welcome to the Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Popeyes.
Yes, we got Popeye, no olive. Just Popeye.
Now
you're gonna hear.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I'm not even gonna say it because we got Popeyes today, so I know you like it because I love it.
No family, it's not Fast Food Friday.
It's not. Today's
Wacky Wacky Wednesday.
Wacky Wednesday.
That's more sauce.
Before I say he felt like for some Popeyes, so he eating a long time, so we said let's go treat him with some Popeyes, you know?
Yeah.
He did a lot. So let's make it into a video, you know why we might as well do a video. We eating.
Yep. My father-in-law, he's going home tomorrow. I'm gonna miss him very much.
They're real good. I hope you like the other video, you know what I'm saying? You see all the stuff that he gave from the farm. Right?
One left over there?
So hope y'all see the stuff that he got from the farm, you know? Very formal. So we got some popcorn chicken, popcorn shrimp.
Popcorn shrimp. I'm not gonna lie.
We ain't got a lot today. So, you know I gotta get my breast. My french fries with it.
I'm not gonna lie. Even though eating Popeyes is disappointing to me.
You want to tell them a story how much? Sure. Disappointed in Popeyes.
I would have put me something on. Popeyes is disappointing to me, family.
Very.
I'm probably gonna have to go on strike.
They never have nothing ready.
Never have nothing ready. Nothing is ever ready.
Nothing. And they got all the people them back there. If they're not on their phone, have an earpiece in their ears, they doing their little dances, their little song.
I'm not gonna lie, I was very annoyed.
A little too tight spicy. You don't want some inside for a lady? Yeah,
you guys know
we was.
that I love my legs.
Wow.
And the lady said, we don't have any spicy legs ready right now, but we have mild. And I said, that's fine. Because really and truly, Popeye's chicken, spicy, it's not spicy.
It's not spicy.
And come home,
Nothing.
one leg. And my daughter and I, we love legs. So, I'm a mom, so what am I going to do? I'm going to give her the one leg. And I had the wings.
Yep.
But we was in there for a hot minute, family.
We went to two Popeyes. You did hear me?
Okay, so we were in there for a hot minute, family. And the first Popeyes we went to, it was packed, and you can tell they didn't have no chicken.
Yeah, so we stepped in and we stepped out. Quick.
Go to the next Popeye, they have a little bit more chicken. They just as packed, and they just as slow.
And then let's go.
And I'm like, really? And I'm like, I guess everybody's like us. They said it's Wednesday, we don't feel like cooking. So we're like, all right, we waited.
Damn.
Patiently tuna. My thing is, if you're gonna have people sit there and wait for their stuff, at least let it be right. Don't give me my stuff and it's wrong. My gosh.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't even tell you what we have.
I
Sorry.
I thought we had some popcorn, shrimp. And I got my breast.
And fries, red beans and rice, and mashed potatoes with extra gravy. You gotta have extra gravy.
I broke it already, but I'm gonna give you a big bite. So, think about it next time. Here we go. Good. Quick. Awesome. You wanna take a bite, though? Gotta have my breast, you know that. My breast, man. What you birthday? Family, I'm a breast man. I gotta have that breast, son.
I don't know.
First time tasting that popcorn shrimp.
Have a taste.
That's okay.
I don't know why I'm using this spoon. I'm gonna see something. Let me see something.
It's darn good.
Let me see something. Look at that. Look at that.
And the chicken don't even taste spicy.
Look at that.
Oh, this is dough, huh?
Look at something. Every time I eat fried shrimp or fried crab, fried something, I just want to make it myself.
Right.
Because I'm making some fried shrimp and show them how it's supposed to look.
Think you got a lot of dough?
You might and the shrimp look good.
Look at that shrimp, man. Shrimp
The
tiny.
shrimp remind me.
That shrimp look like it's like one of those little bait I be using.
The shrimp is the same size as this bean. You see that?
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, sorry. How y'all doing, man? Yeah, we was ranting, but we still eating it. It's all good.
It happens.
It happens sometimes, but you know, did it ever happen to y'all when you're going Popeyes or whatever, any fast paced food? And can't talk without eating. Any fast paced food place?
Or
Your order's not right, and y'all wait so long, and they say they have something, and when you get in the box, it's totally wrong. We don't like that. But at the end of the day, watch it now. So, what we do is check the box, but yo.
I'm gonna go on strike for Popeyes. I'm not gonna lie.
No drumstick for first day. First day is over drumstick.
I don't think Popeye's gonna see me for a while. It's always the same.
Always.
And we have been to a lot of Popeyes,
Yeah.
and it's always the same.
Real talk.
And it's sad because it's like, whatever, I don't want to keep on complaining, but it's 2021.
Paying that money, they gotta get that stuff right. I bring the straw and you still put him up on thing. It turns it to that. Here is straw.
Oh, excuse me, I didn't see it. Okay, that's it, excuse me. Yeah. It's like,
You go on strike and I still eat it.
You can have Popeyes. If I'm on strike, me and you two different people, we're not twins.
Yeah.
But
I'm in my Popeye.
we're not never on the channel. I'm on strike.
I'm in my Popeye. Red bean rice is good? That's good.
Everything tastes good as far as the sides.
Yeah. That's good.
And you get 2 breasts in it? You can manage 2 breasts?
I love breast. I manage 2 breasts. You know something, can't manage the breast tomorrow. Family, if the other manager was there, that would never happen. She take charge. Where's the napkin, please?
There you go.
Thank you. She takes charge. And
She does.
the other manager, it's like she's afraid of the workers. You know what I'm hearing? Can't be afraid of your workers.
The workers then was do whatever they wanted to do.
Whatever they want to do out there. While they have a long line, everybody was complaining. We wasn't the only one that's complaining. People came in I was
walked
leaving.
out.
That's how bad it was.
I said, you got me messed up. I'm out
Yeah.
of this sucker.
Mm-hmm. Yep. You know what I mean? Chicken not even spicy enough?
Not at all.
Not at all. Chick-fil-A salted. So what? It's my sauce. I'll do what I want with it.
Something.
It's the fuck fun.
They're lucky my father-in-law wanted Popeyes today.
Exactly. Good talk.
You going home tomorrow?
Yep.
I just said, you know what? I can really eat some Popeyes. I was like, okay. Other than that, my big dinner I'm gonna make it up.
You know that.
You guys will see what we're gonna make tomorrow.
You're gonna see it.
Okay?
But he really helped us out a lot though. I appreciate him. Huh? We needed that help.
Yeah.
Chicken nice one.
Chicken?
Chicken nice one. Yeah.
You know what?
What?
When we went to New Orleans, we should have tried the Popeyes there. I wonder if it tastes different.
We never tried it again. We went in there though, we left again. We went in there, we walked out, why? It was packed?
Packed, and they didn't have no chicken. You hear me say?
See? It's
Even in New Orleans, where it comes from.
Yep. See? See, we ain't lying. We went there, we walked right out.
We tried to wait, and it just was not. And we left.
Well, why didn't try it too, no?
Well, want to try because we're like, okay,
We're in New Orleans. So
we're in New Orleans.
Real talk.
Let's try Popeyes. But we had a lot of fun in New Orleans though.
Where we stayed at?
I forgot.
But it was right in the street though.
And we ate so much food. We ate at Mother's. We ate at Little Dizzy. We ate at what's that seafood place that they fry the seafood? Dennis.
I don't remember, but I don't know eating. I don't remember
Some
the name.
of the
I remember the
D's.
name.
We ate at.
We're like, we enjoy them food.
It was so good. We had, what is it? The grilled. We had New Orleans. That was really good. The grilled oysters. The only thing that I didn't like. Next time, I'm gonna tell them to cook it just a little bit more. It was too softy.
Here's some alligator.
When you have alligator, it was really nice.
We had crawfish.
We had crawfish. We had gumbo.
Gumbo. We had everything then. It was a nice little trip. We enjoyed it.
I would go back.
I'll do that. Yep.
Let me tell you something.
We made it fun.
I harassed Richie to take me there. Remember? But I would definitely go back.
Yeah, we go back there again. Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. And the hotel we stayed in was brand new. When we went, they just built it.
It was only open for like 4 months.
4 months, brand new. Like, yeah. Yeah.
It was right across the street from that restaurant that we tried to eat breakfast at every day. But the line was always packed.
What was the name of the
I
restaurant?
forgot. It was like Pink Lady or something. I don't know. It was something pink. Some restaurant in New Orleans.
I don't know how you remember those names. I remember. There was a restaurant across from there. It was only packed for real.
On a biscuit. That biscuit is dry.
Dry for you.
It's dry. I'm not gonna lie to the family. The biscuit dry.
It's dry. Yeah, we go back to New Orleans again.
I made my own biscuit.
Yeah, we're gonna go back there. I'm gonna get the Popeyes chicken. Yep. Family, I'm telling you.
It was called Crago's.
Crago?
Crago's. That's the restaurant that had the oysters, the grilled oysters. Crago's, something like
How the
that.
hell you remember that?
I can see it in my mind.
Tell me, I do not remember nothing. All I know, I was eating. That's all. Then we went on the strip where they had a little thing. Watching little shows them on the strip.
Yeah, that was fun.
Then we took the little tour.
And it was funny because I was touring the bus.
In the bus, and they showed us that with the. Today we showed us what was a place. It was about
Everything.
They showed, yeah, we took the bus tour.
They brought us to the warehouse where they hold all of the Mardi Gras stuff. And this one named Richie did not want to take the tour. I mean, he was pissed off about the tour. Kept on saying, I don't want to go on no tour. This is boring. I want to go on no tour. Get on the tour. The man not stop chat to people. I take pictures. And I said, oh, this is nice. I'm looking at this is the same
Hollywood,
guy.
Son. Same guy, Hollywood. It was a good tour. It was. I like it was. I enjoy it.
Why you gotta do that though? Why you gotta say you don't want to do something, then you do it, then you like it?
I didn't want to do it. It got fun after
He
a while.
did not want to do it. But he didn't want, man.
Yep, we did that. We did a lot, man. We walked up. We were just walking.
And we just walked. We had ice cream.
We got the ice cream with the cake. What was that place there? You remember the place we went to get it?
No, I remember that place. Oh,
we wasn't on Bourbon Street.
we had oh my God, that famous thing in New Orleans.
The famous thing in New Orleans. Yep, we know what we're talking about. Yep. We're in there. I forgot the name of it. We're in there. That was packed too.
I can't remember the name. It was really good. And we had it with the hot chocolate. But one thing about it, I could not remember the name. I know the name now.
What the name? Right away, then go and think.
One, because whatever it's them. But real quick, guys, you have to eat it while it's hot. Once it gets cold, it doesn't taste good.
Family, listen to this one. First lady, listen to this one. Nothing ahead of you is bigger or stronger than the power of God behind you. You heard that one? Yeah. No, Pastor Rich, I didn't hear that, but I'm gonna say it again. Nothing ahead of you is bigger or stronger than the power of God behind you.
That's true.
Yes.
That's really true.
Back to our show now. Word of wisdom. Very tough, man.
Type in New Orleans treats. Beignets.
But yeah, beignets, right?
Beignets. I knew I had it. Those are good. The powders on it.
Tore that joint up, son.
Tore up.
We did a lot. We were just walking. We were going over the berries.
And we had beignets the first one day, and it was really good. And the next day, we had beignets. I'm telling all the business. We had beignets, and I wanted a hot chocolate because I thought that would go good with it.
This is the part you like when they tell our business, see?
Yep, and it did go good with it. I said, honey, just buy the beignets and sit down and just enjoy the atmosphere. She was like, no, I want to go back to the hotel and eat the beignets. I said, honey, the beignet gonna get cold. It's not gonna taste good.
So much people there when we packed. There was no seats.
There was seats, right? Or we could have sat somewhere. You know, I'm a kind of person who.
No, I'm behind. There was no seat. It was packed. It was packed.
If we're going to a restaurant, I like to sit outside. You know.
So the place wasn't packed.
It was packed, but we could have sat somewhere else.
We sat there the first time. We didn't sit there. We didn't sit there. No time.
No.
No time we went there. We didn't sit there. I thought we were sitting outside, like in the back cut, and the kitchen was right there where they was making it. We got the food, and then we got down to sit down. We did.
Who went to New Orleans with?
I don't know. Must myself then. Must myself because you remember when we sat outside in Freya? We didn't sit outside. Wow. Who the hell I went to New Orleans with?
What?
Who I went to New Orleans with? I don't remember. If you can't remember, I can't even remember neither.
Try me.
Go and talk. You chat too much fun.
So we went ahead and we started walking. Got to the hotel. Richard start eating the beignet because, mind you, I'm eating mine. So I'm not following Richard because I know already. I've done my research. When Noah said it's gonna get cold, it's not gonna taste good. I eat mine, my hot chocolate. Richard get to the hotel, he eating it, and he's like, "This is tough." I said, "I told you it's gonna get hard. Not hard. It's not gonna be as soft." And the powdered sugar, because they give you a lot of powdered sugar. It's not gonna melt in your mouth. Word of wisdom. Listen to your wife.
Can't check.
And then a week later, no, we left that Friday. And guess what? The Saturday was the Essence Festival.
Yeah, it was. We was mad.
So mad.
Yeah.
Angela Simmons was there.
Yeah.
Escape was there. T.I. was. All these people was there.
We just left the Friday when the Saturday started.
Saturday was the Essence Festival. Every place that we went to eat, you could see all these celebrities on their Instagram posted and said, "Oh, this is where I'm at today." And I'm like, "Well, wait a goddamn, we just left there." That was messed up.
What? Did you saw the firecrackers there too?
Fireworks, yeah.
Yeah. See? It was for the July weekend we went then. Oh.
July.
Wow.
It was really nice.
We were on the water.
Part of the water. That was really nice.
It was. It was nice.
Really, really nice.
Yep. We had fun.
That was our first 4th of July without the kids.
Yeah. We did.
Wow.
Yep.
Those kids are always with us.
Everywhere.
They don't have a life.
Man, first they just yo, you know what? One thing with us, we decide to just go somewhere. We just jump out and go. We don't. First day, let's ride. We going somewhere. We out. As long as we got gas, that's gonna change in our pocket. We riding.
As long as Richie got gas and change in his pocket. I mean, I have the money.
I drove the whole way. First day, that shit on the car, talk about foot.
It was 10 hours to go and 10 hours to come. And let me tell you something, family. When you do a road trip with somebody who you enjoy being around with, Lord knows Richie get on my nerves. Okay? And Lord knows I get on his nerves.
Damn right you do. Damn right.
But when you go on a road trip,
you get on my nerves when you chatting. Chat too much.
When you go on a road trip with somebody who you enjoy being around with, it's coming like nothing.
It went fast.
Fast! Richie and I talked from the time we got in the car in front of our house to the time we reached the hotel. We chat about old days, young days, new days. Bring up stories. Richie crack jokes, I crack jokes. We talk about people, we talk about the car. Yo. And coming home was the same way. We talk. A road trip with Richie is so much fun.
You chat too much about road trip.
I'm fun. I mean, I'm fun. I'm full.
Don't forget, you know, this is the time now, you know, to like. You made this far. Subscribe, man. Alright? You share it with y'all. Comment, you know what I'm saying? And welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they're our first lady.
Excuse me. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. It wasn't Fast Food Friday.